Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm here with a beautiful recipe of cookie truffles. Visit my blog Toppings for the detailed recipe and along with other recipes there. Let's get started now. Add cookies to a mixture of food processor and process it to fine crumbs. Then we'll be adding cream cheese. Here I'm using homemade cream cheese. Process it to mix. Now I'm going to add some dry fruits of my choice. You can add all you want along with some chocolate chips. Mix it with this spatula. Add in some desiccated coconut as I love coconut, so I'm adding it. Mix it, grind it once again and transfer the mixture to a plate. Now roll the cookie mixture into truffle balls. Press it gently and make small balls out of it. Now they are going into the freezer to set for about 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, break white chocolate and place it into a bowl and keep it over a simmering water and allow the chocolate to melt. In another bowl, take dark chocolate and dairy milk and repeat the process of melting the chocolate as we did for white chocolate. Our chocolate is ready. Now take out the cookie balls from the freezer. Now we're gonna roll these cookie balls in the chocolate. We'll first roll it in the dark chocolate mixture and keep all these in a tray. We will roll half of them in dark chocolate, then half we'll roll in white chocolate. Top them with some colorful sprinkles and let them set in the fridge for an hour. I have prepared this tray to serve the truffles. I'm going to place all the truffles in this tray. They look amazing. Enjoy these lovely truffles and keep watching. Bye bye.